Okay, this is the second video you asked for. Right now the T9 Pro is working with normal sound, and we are going to hear the difference between left channel, that is working fine, this one, normal sound, and we are going to hear the right channel. As you can hear, the sound is so different. There's almost no sound here. Let's try. Normal sound. And this one is not working fine. And you also ask for the vacuum tubes. Yes, I have changed the vacuum tubes to the other place, and the problem still the same. The vacuum tubes are working fine. As you can see, both of them are light on, and I don't know, this is not working fine. Almost all the sound came from this channel. Okay, last one. Nothing, almost nothing. Okay, I hope this video is useful or helpful to find a solution, and thank you. Goodbye.